Hey everybody, I'm Sean, co-founder and CEO of EduSynch. In this video, I'll be showcasing our latest upgrade to the student experience of our remote proctoring software in Moodle. As a student, before starting my exam, I must first agree to the terms and conditions of using our software. Before starting my test, I'm able to review the exam guidelines and even test my computer to make sure everything is working well. When ready, I launch the tool and begin the initial requirements walkthrough. First, I take a photo of myself. Next, a photo of my ID. With our focus on user privacy, we don't use any biometric data and we are 100% GDPR compliant. As a third step, I record a 360-degree scan of my testing environment. I'm given 3 seconds to prepare and then 10 seconds to actually make my recording, after which I can review it and redo it if it's not up to par. It's important to note that all of these steps are fully customizable via the admin panel in Moodle, which I will demo in another video. Next, I must share my screen. Doing so will ask me to close all the open windows and tabs in my browser. Last but not least, all the extensions I have installed will be disabled. With the requirements checked, I can now begin my exam. Unlike other proctoring solutions, our extension does not require any exam scheduling. During the exam, users can see themselves in a separate Chrome window. As I go through the exam, it's important to note that one of the key features is the lockdown browser with whitelisted URLs. This ensures that users only access permitted resources during their exams. As you can see on the screen, every time I try to open a new tab or window, it's blocked by the EduSynch extension. And that's a wrap. Once my exam ends, the session is marked as complete automatically. Feel free to email us if you're interested in setting up a demo. Thanks for watching.